In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Xero by setting up your very own account. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to explore its extensive features, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. First things first, let's navigate to the Xero website. Once you have the page open in front of you, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Try Xero for Free button. Go ahead and click on that, which will lead you to a registration form. This is where you'll enter some of your personal details. You'll need to provide your first and last name, email address, phone number, and your location. Make sure to double-check that your email address is entered correctly, as Xero will send an important verification message to it shortly. Now, switching over to your email inbox, keep an eye out for a new message from Xero. Open it up, and within the email, you should see a link to activate your newly created account. Click on that link, and it will guide you back to Xero's site where it's time to set up a secure password. Remember, your password needs to be at least 8 characters long, containing at least one number to ensure it's strong and secure. Moving on, you'll be guided by an on-screen setup wizard designed to collect all the essential details about your business. This will involve entering information such as your business name, the industry you operate in, the country you're located, and your financial year's last day. You might also need to provide some additional details, like your number of employees or if you're currently using any accounting tools. This is all designed to tailor Xero's features to fit your needs perfectly. As you continue through the setup wizard, you'll also have the opportunity to connect your bank accounts. This step is crucial for managing and tracking your business finances effortlessly. You can also set up invoices, which Xero makes incredibly easy with its intuitive tools. All these features are designed to help streamline your accounting processes, whether you're doing them yourself or with some professional assistance. This brings us to the point where you can choose to add an accountant or bookkeeper to help manage your financial data. If this is something you're interested in, there's an option to integrate this during the setup stage. And there you have it. You've unlocked a 30-day free trial where you can explore all the features Xero has to offer. Utilize this trial period to dive deep into the platform and determine how it can benefit your business in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you make the most of Xero's powerful accounting tools.